Hey, Kev here from Ordinary Adventures in Oz. We bought ourselves a new car, a Ford Ranger, a fancy looking thing, and when we bought it we wanted to get some seat covers, and the ones we wanted weren't available at the time, so we got a set of King's ones just temporarily, and they got a bit dirty and the new ones arrived, so I just thought we'd pull off the old ones, see how they worked or how well they worked, and I'll show you maybe how to put the new ones on. So yeah, they've done a really good job. There's a bit of dust and bits and pieces on there that it was on the bottom of the probably fell off the seat cover as I was taking it off just then. Okay, so let's. What I'm going to do is throw these seat covers in the washing machine and we'll put them in the Datsun over there. Righto, so the new ones are slightly different. They're 2 bits, 3 bits maybe. First bit is the actual seat. Again, it's got a couple of strap things. So this won't be. So hopefully this won't be sort of super hard to put. Right. So the trick with it seems to be to tuck it all in. It feels nice and tight, and it's all velcroed up. Just tucking it into the trim seems to be the trick to make it look good. It's probably also handy to have something like that little blue thing, I don't know what to call it, or a longish screwdriver, just to poke down on the inside of the trim over there. Right, so it's not going to work, is it? So now I've got the top part of the seat cover back onto the backrest. The backrest of the seat cover. One trick is you've got to pull the headrest out. I didn't know this, but interestingly, there's a little lock on that part there. But this will push up, but they won't push down. Whoop. So if you want to take it off, or take the headrest out, you've got to push a little marker on the inside and just slip it up. I might show you on the other one. I'm just going to put the headrest cover on and then do the other side. So I've peeled off the driver's side seat. The interesting thing with Ranger headrests is there's a little locky thing just in there, and you need to, well, this is going to be awkward, hold that in, use the obvious one and the little itty bitty one that you can't see, and that'll let you take the headrest up. I thought I might have had a faulty headrest until I found that little trick. Right, off we go again. Well, when I picked these up the other week, the guys said it's about a 3-beer job to put them on. They weren't bloody wrong, but I quite like them. Well done, the Wetseat seat covers. There it is. Fits nicely. I will also say well done, Kings. I didn't expect so much dirt to not make it through the seat covers. So nice one. All right, that'll do me. It's hot. Going for a beer.